Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, October 1st, 2019. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, we've got a fraction review with optional extra credit 1 due this Friday. In honors math, practice 2.1b. We also have an optional extra credit 1 that's due Friday, as well as our math puzzle that's due Wednesday. In science, there is no homework. In social studies, we need to continue to prepare for Thursday's maps and timelines test. A good way to do that is looking at our past homework as well as our bell work. In language arts, we've got a writer's notebook. That's chapter 10, Writing That Inspires. This is our practice entry. Make sure that you're using one of the two poems as examples on how to do your writing style that is listed in Google Classroom. You also need to review the study guide that you were given today for Thursday's test. In literature, we need to read 30 to 45 minutes, as well as looking over our notes for 10 minutes every day. We have a test this Friday over our notes with summary, questioning, and clarifying. In careers in life, second period, you need to write a paragraph telling Mrs. Music how family is like an object of your choice. Example, how a family is like a car, or how a family is like a house. Anything you can think of. Third period, there is no homework. It's going to be it for today. Everyone have a fantastic Tuesday, and we'll see you tomorrow.